My dear students, a new week has come. On Monday, you have had your quiz. I hope you find it very funny and it was something different and it was like a game, so I really hope you liked. Today, we're going to start with our critical thinking part of our book, Unlock. Today, we're talking about data. What's data? Do you know it? When there are some numbers, some information about places. Let's suppose in our topic, we have two different places, two different buildings, two different locations. Very different. We want to check how one is, how the other is. In short words, we want to compare. Can you tell me what compare means? Yes, you know it. Now, today I'm going to explain you mostly how to compare data with comparatives. You are perfect people in grammar, I know, but I need to review with you the small grammar rules about the comparatives. Now, let's start first with our visual topic of today. Look at the picture in this photo. Now, on the left, we have a poor, ugly area. Is it right? I can see it's crowded as well. On the right, we have a luxury, a very expensive, a classy area. You can see the difference between the buildings. You can see the difference between the appearance. You can see the difference between the years of constructions. Can you? Now, what are the ones on the left? S, L, and S. They are slums. S-L-U-M-S. This is what you'd say in Turkish, gecekondu. The second one, what about the ones on the right? Wow. What's that? They are luxury residences. Slums on the left, luxury residences on the right. Now, the two parts are different in terms of appearance, ugly and beautiful. In terms of size, wide and small. In terms of age, new and old. In terms of year, new, old, modern, traditional. In terms of location, far, near. Shall we discuss about them? Let's compare their data. But first, let's review how to use comparatives. Mostly, we have one big rule for comparatives. Short word, long word. Short word, how do we do it? Adjective plus ER. Old, older, than. Let me see if I can make a sentence for you. The slums look older than the residences. Okay? The long word grammar rule is even easier. More plus adjective than. Example for you. The slums look more traditional than the residences. It seems easy, doesn't it? But sometimes we have some yaramaz words. They are naughty, they are irregular. Let's see what kind of adjectives have irregular form of comparative. We have bad, which becomes worse. We have good, which becomes better. We have far, which becomes further. And many, which becomes more. Now, I want to pass to practice with you. We look at the pictures again, and I want you to start writing. Can you write 10 sentences comparing the slums and the luxury residences. I'm trying to move these so you can see. I have made a table for you. You can use the adjectives in the box to create the sentences. Let me explain well for you. Slums. The year of the slums is 1960. The residence year is 2008, 2008. The location for the slums out of Brasilia. For residents, city center of Brasilia. The size, the slums are 5,600 meters square. The residence is 1,400 meters square. The price, look at the difference. 1 month of rent in a slum is $100 if you pay rent. 1 month rent in that residence is around $5,000. The population in the slums, the population is touching 1 million. The population in the residence are maybe 500 people. The streets in the slums are 2 meters wide. I should say 2 meters narrow. The streets in the residence are 20 meters wide. Now, by comparing this data on the grid, I write sentences with comparatives by using these adjectives. Number 1, I choose the word far. Okay, I'm looking at the location. The slums are out of Brasilia. The residence is inside Brasilia. So, which one is further? Slums. The sentence is, the slums are further than the residence. I choose the word far here. I make it comparative and I compare. Please fill 10 sentences with them. Once you finish your exercise, please pass to page 132, 135 of your logbook, 132, 133, 135. Thanks for your attention as well, and see you tomorrow. I hope to find you as well tomorrow again.